And we're back with our final Discord installment. Yay. Also, I got a Walter M. Miller Jr. thing in the background here. And if you could name the cover, I'd like to hear about it in the comments. So, I know what you're saying. My big self's in the way. So let me help you out here. Share. Yay. So if you could name this cover, put it in the comments. And we're going to stop share and reshare and get on with the lesson because today we're going to talk about the power of the search bar. It's very important, probably the most important lesson. So share, uh, share the screen. That's what we're going to do. Get this awesome cover art out of the way. So the search bar is in the upper right hand corner. And yes, it acts like a search bar, but you can narrow down the scope. You could do from the user, mentions a user, has a link or a file before or after a certain date or during a specific date range, the channel, if it was penned, if it was done by a robot. Like we use Me6 quite a bit over in our Discord. So let's put it all the pieces together. So let's say we wanted to search for, I don't know, books. Bet you that's going to bring up a ton of stuff. Yep, 444 results. And let's say from colon, me only, and 256 results. And let's say in the in colon uh, sourcing or book resources channel. 103 results. And then I want to say after colon, set the date range, and we're going to say, I don't know, the 28th. 43 results. And then I can just scroll and try to figure out what I'm looking for. The more information you can give it, the narrower the scope it could do, obviously. And let's say, yeah, this is what I was looking for after all. Points of issue compiled by Bill McBride. And just like a pen, if I click this word jump, it's going to take me to that particular post. Jump. Boom. I'm there. Took me to the channel. See, that's got the little gray background highlight. I'm in the channel. Yay. And then I can look at it and decide, yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. Or no, it's not. Let me keep on scrolling. And blah, blah, blah. No, Harbor Classic's what I wanted. And again, I can hit the jump. It's just going to auto scroll me there. And yes, I have confirmed this is what I indeed want. So let's clear it out. And how you do that, you just click the X and the little search window will go away. And then you can go about your day, either click the link, click the image, or read, or whatever the case may be. So let's try something simpler. Let's do something basic like sourcing. So our keyword is sourcing. We got 12 results. Um, I'm gonna say, yeah, we'll do in the sourcing channel. In the sourcing channel. You can click the prompts or you could type it out, up to you, but it's always the word and colon. So sourcing, and we got 25 results. Oh, it wiped out our keyword. So we're gonna put sourcing back here. It's gonna do 2 results. And we're gonna say on here, we could sort by relevancy, if it's old, if it's new, etc. So we'll do most relevant, and it is the auction records one in this case, or the oldest, still the auction records. New, we got this other one here about auction houses. Let's try cleaning. That should be fun. Cleaning is our keyword. We got 8 results. Um, let's do from me. So from colon, I'm going to select me, and there are 6 results. And we're going to do a channel. Let's do book resources down to 2. And it should tell you where the keyword is. Sometimes it highlights it. In this top one, it did not. It says cleanly. So it's pulling cleaning, part of our word. Here it's got clean, it's highlighted. So I bet you if I sort by relevancy, it's going to swap them. It totally did. And again, I found what I want, and I'm going to say jump, and boom, it's going to take me to that. I'm going to get rid of the side window by simply clicking the X. And yeah, and either this is what I want or it's not. I could scroll up or down to try to get some context. When I'm done, I could say jump to present in this channel, and it's going to auto scroll me to the last thing that was put in that channel. So we're going to stop share. And yeah, I've hoped you enjoyed this little series. I know it was long. I know it was probably boring, but I hope it was also useful. And I hope it made it a little less boring. So this should conclude our Discord series. Unless there's something I missed, if there is, put it in the comments and I will do a just kidding, this is the real final video if that's the case. But I'm gonna call it a wrap, folks, and we can get on to books. I know you guys came for the books, and all I've been talking about is Discord, but assuming there's not another thing by a suggestion of a person, we're done. We can go on to books and more books. And yes, there's even more in the back room filled with books. So, hope you have a wonderful weekend and onward and upward to books. Can I say books one more time? I probably can, but I'm not because I'm going to click this little red X here and we're going to be done. Maybe. It's hard to do it in your peripheral vision. End.